Car's dirty as hell right now. I'm about to give y'all a cold start and an audio review. This car got full SKAR audio, except the deck, except the face to the radio and the amp that control the highs. Oh, that was just cold start. Full SKAR audio.
You better know how to act it.
212 SDR and a SKAR box, SKAR 1500 watt amp, 2400 watt cheap 4-channel amp, 5-channel amp. Gotta run into the words.
That shit hit different. Well, let's fuck you to you, bitch, nigga. On my mama, ain't too many people who I looked up. Nah, staring at that pot, the one who showed me how to cook up. Show me this shit. I got that text, it ain't no love lost. Forced my hand, I took the gloves off. Said you was 100, took a dub off. It's the cloth, certain shit can never rub off. Never, nigga. You ever pull a nigga in?
10-inch SKAR, 4 ohm, 2 6.5-inch SKAR 4 ohm in the front. 2 3-inch bullets from SKAR and 1-inch domes on the right here.
Nigga said he make a movie on my set. Must be on dust like a nudie when it's wet. Must be on pills, sleeping on me like it's quills. Know my credit karma, niggas see me on drills. I thought you wanted to see me level up. I read through the subliminals, all the clever stuff. Niggas falling out, screaming never us.
That's how I turn it up a little bit.
Before I let it rust. I'm one of the last niggas of my kind. Oh, that's facts for real. I said that shit twice. I'm one of the last niggas of my kind. One of the last niggas. This cloth is extinct, nigga. This shit super extinct, nigga.
I'm all about clarity.
I promise you that.
You gotta have something louder than mine, you gotta have something hit harder than mine. I just want to be the clearest.
So well, man, you gotta read between the lines. The streets that never love me, that shit hit different. See me coming, they like, this nigga. On the game and I don't get niggas, so feel like niggas fake when you from which nigga? Never counted money with no blood on it.
Now I'm gonna play something that hits.
No handout.
So hit a little better.
Ain't no question that niggas ain't gon' slide for the gang. I just turned it up. Only way that I can explain when I'm stepping up. Nigga, I be flying in the plane. You the opposition, nigga. Your side ain't the same. Know some niggas early in the morning, they like YOLO. Know some shooters who ain't taking photos and they solo. I be chasing money, tell them niggas get a roll up. Girl, and tryna make it out the mud, that's the goal up. They want that money, homie, I ain't tryna vibe. Cause I ain't got no patience and I told you how that time flies. I can see these haters as I'm scrolling down my timeline. So I just bomb. I know I'm a shine. Had to chase the vision with the ones that's right behind mine. You think you the plug, hold up. Nigga, I'm the line. Put the team together for a chip, I feel like Brown. I've been on some shit, if you don't see it, then you blind. Big face, blue face.
Daily driver.
Too late. Got my name and all these haters smoke like a toothpick. You believe you better. I've been in my suitcase.
Damn near no trunk rattle at all.
Money they got two shake. No, this ain't no two-way. Only way is up. Got me smiling, yeah, that Kool-Aid. Bottles of that 42, bottles of that Douce. Called the cops when I was hustling, Biggie, yeah, that juice.
And I need to upgrade my alternator.
Only way that I can explain when I'm stepping up. Nigga, I be flying in the plane. You the opposition, nigga. Your side ain't the same.
Clarity.
Niggas early in the morning, they like YOLO. Know some shooters who ain't taking photos and they solo. I be chasing money till them niggas get a roll up. Got in tryna make it out the mud, that's the goal though. That's the goal though. But you stabbing, I ain't talking about no logo. They like, oh no. They got FC in his bag, he on go. Ain't no question, niggas ain't gon' slide for the gangs on my mind. Paper in my eyes on some change. I can see it now. First they had me gun on game. Yeah, I need a mic like I'm Nas. said. Ride with the squad, yeah. Talk about her, look in my eye, yeah. We going live, yeah. She done been matching my fly, yeah. Ain't on my business. I got that block on fire. It took me a minute. Still got to stop all of my tires. It is what it is. When niggas sleep, when I get tired, head on the bliss. Nigga, you creep, it's in the fire. Nigga, you spit that shit ass shit. After you crash shit. They tryna give me the flash shit. Talk about the cash shit. And my homie counting the down piece. Get him a bad look. Doing the bad shit. What they gon' do on my swag shit? They gon' do on my nigga, I'm blowing the gas, yeah. Plucking my ass, yeah. You know what I'm saying? I was just stuck in the trap, yeah. I know it took me a long. Don't give a fuck like your bag, yeah. Ain't gonna squeeze. Don't want the juice, they ain't gon' freeze. This shit ain't came with no keys. I just been up, I ain't getting no Z's. I got your bitch on her knees. And I'm too cool, this shit is a breeze. I cannot hang with no fleas. I've been surrounding myself with the G's. I was just down there with laughs. With the finest game. Niggas fraud, they get mad at what I'm trying to make. I ain't speeding up, I'm still just trying to find a pace. Niggas ain't no competition, I ain't trying to race. And my shit still knocking all kind of bass. Used to step up to that mic and get butterflies. Now I'm sitting crack, a nigga letting butterfly. Used to take it in the crib so the nugget fly. Now we bout to rock these niggas to the bucket dry. One thing about these rappers, they don't want to clash. When them shooters at your house, they don't want your stash. I guess letters on this string, he was flashing bad. They was sitting there. Got my drip up on the
shots to the face, don't trip on your legs. Moss. Run away, I'll carbon beam, knock your legs off. Try to get away from me. Had to stand off. Hit him in the spot. Knock his dreads off. My wrist caught his body. I didn't let him red the mouse. Thugging in my Reeboks. Ride with a G-Shot. I heard he shot. Truckle make a beat box. He made a shot turn. Roll the spot of pepper cop. Out of mask. Truckle make a beat box. My motherfucking heat. I'm a nigga, bitch. Let's see how to beat. Fall in the party. I'm on my big shit. Ready to get it started. Bitch, I got loose. In the club. Ride around with folks. Call me. 24. Can't blow a hustle more. That little bitch is doing more. I get the groove cold. Every time I see the phone. I got down the road. Thinking I started to leave alone. I'm smooth, I'm cold. Know my wrist and fold. Skinny jeans on. Shit like Jackson, till they got my kicks on. I aim, I hit my target. I'm off this bitch regardless. Run away, I'll carbon beam, knock your legs off. Legs off the wrist. How to stand off. Hit them in the spot. Knock your dreads off. My wrist caught.
I caught out with a beef, I won't see me creeping on your block. I worked the back seat, we went 3 deep and got 10 people shot. I hit the auto switch and made a twerk and right me dump the block. Drop on all his spot, he get robbed if he going out. I know the taser, no walk, he pulling up in his Audi car. Bitch, you hit him, tried to pull the move and this shit.
Mercedes, you drive me the bitch is crazy. You drive me the bitch is crazy. We even had dogs on the baby. We even had dogs on the baby. Before they say, so they don't wanna be playing. Why tell me some shit if you know it's a lie? Why say you fuck with me but then on the side? It's so many times when I knew what you buy. I was left all alone, all I could do was cry. You look like a drug, she got me so high. My feelings too strong, my pride to the side. You think about too much, I hope for them die. Got family who need me, we gotta survive.
My shit hit them low. Y'all shit could be louder and everything. I like my shit clear.
But that's the main reason I'm falling nobody. The niggas I want, but they wider. I pray to God I don't have to step on nobody. I know that they watching to the streets where I'm blocked in. No money, I'm money.
You hear that? We ain't got no bass box. We got a full sound system. On to the next one. This got 4 SKAR 6s, 2 Alpines, Alpine amp, and a Crunch voice amp. Cute little Chinese. Oh, we got Gravity EQ. A little cheap little head unit. Little sound test. And a Suburban now. I was going, I've been driving out of something. Almost forgot what I was doing. Almost forgot. Cut your radio up. This is Daisy on the beat.
Let's Snoop. Man, I came a long way, for real. Yeah. You niggas rapping about that shit, nigga. We out here living it, nigga. This shit real, nigga. Man, I remember being in my cell getting awakened by niggas fighting. Stressed out in this bitch cause ain't nobody writing out.
Warning, the following video features stunts performed either by professionals or under the supervision of professionals. Accordingly, Boosie Badass and the producers must insist that no one attempt to recreate.
Nigga stay with a bitch, I can't wait to do it, little nigga. Like the shit that you pop in your music, little nigga. Got a bitch that I hit every Tuesday, little nigga. In the head, fuck around and go boost it, little nigga.
Big call me Boosie, I go stupid. Keep it fake cause it's serious. If I know you don't know, you ain't gon' play with me, period. Pussy, I make you walk it out. Yeah, walk it, I'm talking. Big mouth, I call them rock wallers like me, you know, running up under the cage. Tryna fuck on the raid. Tell your pussy ass baby daddy be cool, girl, before I get on his ass. Diamonds like yeah, it's my boat. I'm running it, yeah. You gon' die for chasing that clout. I get a buzz in your house, yeah.
360, stop playing, see you with Infinity on 742 like the Henny gon'. Fuck around, mix the Cartier with the Rollie, call a nigga Henny on. Buff on bus, you do not play with my time. Killing that money, you stay on my mind. I'm thinking, it ain't a joke, I'm spitting that dope. And this shit ain't or not. Fool, the streets is mine. I got the streets, I got the things, this shit a game. Think it's a game? I cannot be playing with y'all. And I'm never gonna switch on my dog, that's love. Fuck what you say, one thing I do, and I get on that car, I bump. Big B's, I'm a big step, I got your whole around, she a dick catcher. Fuck niggas, it ain't been done, as you was now rockin' with the trendsetter. We get so soft in the cross, that's what it's a bench for. You know what it is? It's so soft, yeah. The streets, I got the streets, streets. Think it's a game? I got the streets, I got the streets. 30 grand on blues, post been foreign on no shoes. Niggas just a diamond in a rough through the game. Why you think I'm dropping all Jews? Be the one when it gets your little rules, trying to get the mental with the little booze. The one in the front, the one in the back, shit so big, so I'm getting cruise. This ain't just me tonight. I'm in Valencia for pride, I'm dripping. So I'm fighting, I got the city, you can't name a nigga that's tired. So cold, nigga, Canada goose. Shit tripping like my hand on the boost.